Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use Google Meet. If you have got a link for the Google Meet to join a meeting, or maybe you are asked to create a meeting and you don't know how to do it. So in this video, I'll show you how it could be possible. So you just have to go to a browser and search for Google Meet. You will get the first link, click onto it, and if you're already logged in with your Gmail, you don't have to sign up again. Then we have two options, either a new meeting or join a meeting. In the new meeting, you can create a link and later on anyone can join it. You can share that link or the code, or you can create an instant meeting and you can scheduleize a meeting. And if you have a code, simply paste it here and you will join the meeting. And if you have a link, click onto it and you will automatically join it. So right now I'm going to show you how you can create a meeting. Click on instant meeting and after that it will just take a while and it will create a meeting. Once the meeting gets created, on the left side you will see the link. You can share it and anyone can join it. You will also see the code within it and you can also invite anyone through their Gmail. And once you do it, they will get an invitation and they will be able to join it. Now, if you have joined it, it's time to simply start the meeting. But before, you have to set few things up. First, you have to simply set the microphone. You can click onto it and enable a microphone from your PC settings and you can speak the same way you have to go with the camera. Simply enable it and you will be able to use it. Then this option is for screen sharing. You can simply select your screen and after that you will start presenting your screen like you are sharing your screen. So now whatever you're doing on your screen, whatever page, website or homepage you're going, everything will be visible to other people. So you have to keep that in mind. Once you want to stop it, you have to again click onto it to stop the screen sharing. Then we have this option for these emojis. Like if someone says something you want to appreciate, you can give a thumbs up and same wise you can use other emojis. Then we have this option for the CCs, which are the subtitles. Like if someone's speaking, you will get the subtitles. You can select the language, you can select the subtitle size and other option as well. And other than that, if someone has asked or if you want to speak, you can simply raise your hand so the other person will get to know. Then we have other options like setting and stuff. You can do it. You can also check out how many participants are in the meeting and you can also click onto this chat option that is happening during this call. Then we also have these tools you can use within your video call or that meeting. And with this last option, you can see the rights or the option that has host set. So if you want to end your meeting or you want to leave it, click onto it and you will be out of it. If you want to rejoin it, you can click onto it. You will be able to again get a part of meeting. Otherwise, you can get back to home. So that is all about Google Meet. This is how you can use it. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment if you have any queries. Feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.